Here's the biggest thing that I want to sit back and make sure that you understand. It is how the automation works around those two forms. So right now, if you are looking to have automations built around the vibe coding site, the trigger for that workflow is not the same. So right now, if you're ever dealing with forms, then you know pretty much there is a form submitted. But a form submitted, you go down, you choose a particular form, add a filter, this form, choose whatever form you want. And then now every time there's a submission on that particular form, then that trigger will fire. So that's the common one. And that's the one that I had here under the bottom, that the one that's built in the high level, because I had the embed code put in here. Anything that's submitted here on this form will execute just like it is on an external website and sit back and trigger the workflow under the form submitted event. Now, with this event right here, there is now a new trigger that you need to add. This is not a form submitted trigger right here. So if you take a look at the documentation for it, right now, what you need to do is create what they call an external tracking event. So if you come here and you go to trigger, there is this external tracking event right here that now you need to add if you want to capture the event from one of those vibe coding sites. So right now, just to give you a heads up, if you click on this, you're going to get things like this. The event is any, you could choose, let me see if I can click on this. Event is any of, and then I just have form submitted or page viewed. So I have form submitted. External form is the contact form that we had. There's a couple of ones that I have on here, but you need to know what the form is called and choose the right form. But then this right here is the trigger that you would need in order to catch the automation from the vibe coding site if you use this form right here. Now, again, I know that took a little bit longer, but that is a little bit more complicated of how to interact and how to connect these things. Me personally, I just think it's probably easier just to maintain the same workflows that you're used to. So if you can, if you're going to be embedding surveys, calendars, forms, things like that, probably would be a good idea to just take the embed code that high level gives you and then ask the vibe code builder, please insert this code here. And then when it inserts it, it's no different than if you're actually going to the website and dragging like a code element or HTML element onto a page, opening up that editor and then pasting the code in there and saving it.